We as sports lovers are desperately waiting for the sporting events to begin. Of course, after everything else settles down. For ardent fans of sports, there's nothing much to be happy about. Even the first news in our sports bulletin today is not much of a positive development. There's a doubt on Tokyo Olympics to be held even in the year 2021. For a long time, it had seemed that Japan was successful in avoiding the virus, but with Japanese Prime Minister now announcing an emergency declaration, it is evident that the virus has got hold of Japan as well. The Tokyo Organization Committee CEO said that they are certainly not in a position to give a clear answer whether the postponed Olympics will be going ahead as planned. The chief executive of Tokyo Games said that he can't guarantee that the postponed Olympics will be held next year, even after a delay of 16 months. What do you think fans are there for? Fans are there to support their team as much as they can. Fans are there to cheer the loudest when the team requires the most. If you thought so, then you might have to rethink again, because I used to think on these lines, but something happened and the whole definition of a fan following changed for me. So, Kerala Blasters fan club Manjapada had to lose its official page on Facebook. Everything was going well till an online poll came into existence. So, an online poll battle was there between the fans of Kerala Blasters and Indonesia's Persib Bandung. How it all started was Kerala Blasters fans were trolled by Persib's fans, and that led to the Blasters coming all out and spamming and winning the online poll. And Indonesian fans came to know of this. Blasters fans then posted a meme where an elephant is seen stamping on the Persib's logo. This got reported and all the IDs got suspended. This is a big news from the world of football. East Bengal is all set to sign a former forward from Mohun Bagan. With all the events being shut due to coronavirus, East Bengal seems to be one of the most active participants in the transfer market so far. Earlier this week, there were reports that Indian origin Iranian striker Omid Singh is going to be a part of East Bengal. And now there are reports that former Mohun Bagan forward JJ Lalpeklua is all set to close the deal with the Kolkata Giant. We can confirm that East Bengal is in final stages of negotiations to confirm the deal with 29-year-old Mizo footballer. East Bengal has offered a 2-year deal to JJ and he has confirmed and accepted all the terms and conditions, and if everything sets right, then he will play the next season for East Bengal. India's Hockey Pro League tie against New Zealand is officially cancelled. Matches against New Zealand were India's last round of home matches in the Pro League. Before this, matches against Great Britain and Germany in the foreign land were also cancelled. India was all set to host New Zealand on May 23rd and 24th in Bhubaneswar, but owing to the travel restrictions in New Zealand and keeping interests of health, well-being and safety of the players in mind, this decision has been taken. With continuous spread of coronavirus in India, a lot of people are struggling to even make one meal per day. And at a time like this, cricket icon Sachin Tendulkar has pledged in to serve 5,000 people for a month. Sachin Tendulkar came up and helped Apna Laya, an organization which is helping people who are suffering during lockdown. Shooters have turned their homes into shooting ranges for an international online championship. Some of the world's elite shooters will transform their living room into shooting ranges for first of its kind international online championship. India's Manu Bhakar, Sanjeev Rajput and Divyansh Singh Panwar are also a part of this competition. That's it from my end. Tell me if I've missed out on something and don't forget to like and share our video.